Nestled between the emerald waters of Lake Ohrid and the steep slopes of Mount Galičica lies a village so picturesque it's often called the Macedonian Saint-Tropez. This is Trpejca, a hidden jewel of Macedonia where time slows and beauty speaks in waves and silence. A fishing village with fewer than 400 residents, Trpejca is not just a place, it's a feeling. Here, every stone has witnessed the passing of centuries, and every sunrise reflects off a lake that's over 3 million years old. The village architecture tells of a simple life rooted in harmony with nature. Small white homes cling to the hillside, their balconies dressed with flowers, their doors open to the breeze of the lake. Lake Ohrid, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is among the oldest and clearest lakes in the world. Its waters host over 200 endemic species, including the famous Ohrid trout, found nowhere else on Earth. And Trpejca sits like a guardian on its shore, untouched by time, where tradition still dances with the wind. Above it all, perched on a cliff, stands the Church of St. Nicholas, overlooking the lake like a silent protector. As the sun dips behind the mountain ridge and the lake glows with gold, Trpejca reminds us of something we so often forget, that there is power in peace, wonder in simplicity, and a kind of magic found only in places where the world still whispers. Trpejca, where the lake breathes and the soul rests.